So here we are on Malcolm Street, downtown Ticonderoga, and I'm about to pass the Star Trek set tour a little bit early. My tour doesn't start until 1 o'clock.
Your destination is on the left.
So I can just check. Interesting how they have the timeline. You can read all that, or you can go watch the movie. If you're interested in going and checking this out for yourself, go to StarTrekTour.com, the official website of the Star Trek Original Series Set Tour. So I made it as far as the gift shop before being told that I couldn't film inside their studio. This is likely due to a licensing agreement with CBS. So there's that. So going forward, this is going to be a slideshow. Hope you enjoy. I am going to read a little bit of the history of the Star Trek New Voyages, which is where these sets originally came from, which was later, from like 2008 till 2015, referred to as Star Trek Phase 2, where James Crawley himself also played the role of Captain Kirk. Star Trek New Voyages were created by James Crawley and Jack Marshall in April of 2003. Jack Marshall came aboard as a producer with the idea to market the series on the internet. The first episode, Come What May, debuted on the internet in January 2004. The first episodes were filmed on new sets as a long-shuttering car dealership in Port Henry, New York, but production eventually moved to a former Family Dollar store at 1112 Malcolm Street in downtown Ticonderoga, New York, where it sits today. The facility is currently open to the public for tours and officially licensed by CBS. New Voyages creator James Crawley himself portrayed Captain Kirk in the first 9 episodes before turning the role over to Brian Gross, choosing to assume a more behind-the-scenes role. Jack Marshall would go on to work on Battlestar Galactica reboot in 2006. In an article from Saratoga Living, it started out as a hobby, Crawley says, a desire to produce a fan-made episodes of Star Trek New Voyages, which ran from 2008 to 2015. I sort of foolishly said to myself, if we're going to make our own Star Trek, it has to look right, or people will dismiss it outright. After the rules for fan films changed in 2015, New Voyages ended and the tours began under license by CBS. From stem to stern, every detail and doohickey has been built exactly to spec through online sleuth work, digital screen capture enlargements, every means humanly possible. I have been known to tear something down if it's off 1/8 of an inch, Cowley says. If you ever wonder what it was like to go and sit in the captain's chair, take a trip out to Ticonderoga, go to StarTrekTour.com and book your tour today, man. I highly recommend it. It was one of the coolest experiences, and there's so much to do in Ticonderoga. Like, there's this food and the atmosphere and places to hike, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful up there. And you're just 3 miles away from Fort Ticonderoga, which is rich and full of history in and upon itself. If you like this video, let me know in the comments section down below. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.